Seeing the airbag light on your Acura with code B0001, this is a serious code indicating a fault in the driver's airbag squib circuit. The squib circuit is the wire path that triggers the main driver's airbag deployment. When this code appears, the entire SRS system is likely disabled. Possible causes. Number 1. The clock spring is bad. The clock spring is a ribbon connector that allows the steering wheel to turn while keeping an electrical connection to the airbag. Constant turning causes it to wear out, break the circuit, and set this code. Number 2. Loose or corroded connectors. Airbag circuits are sensitive. Check the yellow wiring harnesses, specifically the connector that leads directly to the driver's airbag module within the steering wheel. Any poor connection here can set the B0001 code. Number 3. Internal airbag module failure. The squib itself, the explosive charge inside the airbag that deploys it, can fail internally. While less common than the clock spring, if the module's resistance is outside the specified range, the SRS control unit will trigger B0001.